Good evening. It's wonderful to be talking to you again as we start our summer season here in North Norfolk. And haven't we just got the weather for it just at the moment? This evening I've come down to one of the beaches that was added to during our sand rescaping scheme last year. And you can see wonderful fresh beaches, large expanses. And what we're asking people to do is please stay safe while you're with us this summer. So if you're a visitor watching this video or if you live here, please just remember these simple tips to try and help you keep safe and enjoy your summer, and make sure we don't all have to go back into lockdown and leave all this behind again. So when you're out and about enjoying our towns and villages, can we ask you to please use the hand sanitisation stations that we've provided to help keep your hands clean, and also to protect you, most importantly, while you're with us. They are foot pump operated, so you shouldn't need to touch anything to use them. We have put out signs for you to show you which way we would like you, if you possibly can, to make sure you're going up and down the streets. All we're trying to do is to maximise your safety while you're with us and the safety of our residents. Everyone's safety has to be our priority, and sadly COVID is still with us, and we don't want to be shutting down again and losing our ability to enjoy all of this. A message for all our visitors: a very warm welcome to you, and I hope that you're enjoying your holiday in North Norfolk, but please stay safe while you're with us. Please make sure that when you're out on the beaches that you're aware of the tide times, that you look out for our beaches that have got lifeguards, and if they haven't got lifeguards, please make sure you've got family members and friends watching you when you're swimming, making sure you don't go too far out, and certainly making sure you don't take inflatables into the sea with you. I know it's very tempting to rest on them in the sea, but with our tides, it's really not advisable. Our seas are lovely and warm and lovely and clean, and we do have many blue flag beaches. And again, it's just a question of being careful while you're enjoying them. Thank you to all our RNLI lifeguards and coast guards who help keep us safe during the summer. We really do appreciate your efforts, and to all those surf schools that help supplement that, your help and support is really appreciated. When you're on the beaches, spread out, find somewhere safe, and find somewhere away from others if you possibly can, so that you can all enjoy the beach safely. And also to give yourself some time to enjoy the space around you. Remember, our tides move very fast. They move much faster than they do on the continent in many places, and much faster than they do in other places around the UK. So keep an eye on the tide timetables, and remember, if you're going out to walk out towards the sea, make sure that you can get back in time before it catches up with you. If you do find yourself in the very unfortunate position that you're out of your depth in the water and you're struggling, stop struggling and remember to float to live. That's the message from the RNLI, float to live. So please be very careful in the water, but enjoy it. It's going to be lovely and hot this weekend. Remember your sunscreen. I don't need to tell you that. We have wonderful beaches all along our coast. Spread out, enjoy them. We love having you back in North Norfolk. Have a wonderful holiday, a very warm welcome. Don't forget to have your chroma crab, your fish and chips and your ice cream. And thank you for choosing North Norfolk for your holiday.